The Story of the Little Raindrop by Abigail Perez. Once upon a time, there was a little raindrop named Larry. Larry was living a very happy life. He lived with all his other raindrop friends in a big cloud. This cloud was called the Nimbus Cloud. One day, the Nimbus Cloud decided it was too full of all the little raindrops. So the raindrops went on an adventure and left the cloud. They fell from the cloud and down to the earth. This is called precipitation. As Larry fell, he wondered where he was going to end up. When he hit the earth, he joined a whole bunch of other little raindrops. He landed in a big body of water called the ocean. While he was in the ocean, he made a whole bunch of new friends. He even found some of his old friends who were in the cloud with him. After a while, he noticed there was a big round thing in the sky. It was called the sun. The sun shined bright down on the ocean, and it made it really hot. After a while, Larry noticed that some of his friends were getting to go back up into the sky. Eventually, he realized that it was his turn to go on a new adventure to go back up into the sky. So he got smaller and smaller until he was barely even noticeable. And he flew back up into the sky with other raindrops. This is called evaporation. Once he got back into the sky with a whole bunch of new raindrops, he started to grow back into his normal size again. The raindrops got closer and closer. They were once again back spending time together in a nimbus cloud. This is called condensation. For the rest of his life, Larry made the same trip over and over again, making new friends all along the way. The end.